Dear students, in this lecture we are calculating or we are doing divide and conquer approach. Divide and conquer approach is also used to perform DFT. But if the length of DFT is more than 8 or 8, okay, if I have to write you that perform the DFT of 16 point DFT. So for 16 point DFT, twiddle factor matrix is too difficult or too complex, or butterfly diagram becomes too complex. So for that we have to use divide and conquer approach. In divide and conquer approach we basically divide the points of DFT. But I have done here for 8 point DFT using divide and conquer approach. Okay? For divide and conquer approach, the first step is you assume N is equal to L into M. Clear? So we have to perform 8 point DFT. So capital N here is 8. 8 is equal to L into M. So you can assume anything as L or anything as M, but the multiplication should be equal to 8. So I assume here L is equal to 2 and M is equal to 4. You can write here 8 into 1 or 1 into 8. But for 8 into 1 and 1 into 8, there will be no benefit because you have to perform 8 point DFT. So instead of performing divide and conquer, you can do like butterfly diagram or matrix method. So you have to divide in small pieces, means 8 into 1. Instead of doing 8 into 1, you have to divide it into 2 into 4 or 4 into 2. ठीक है, this L can be 4, this M can be 2. It's up to you. You can do any value of L and M, but the multiplication of L and M should be equal to capital N. ठीक है, here capital N is 8. So I assume here L is equal to 2 and M is equal to 4. Now read the algorithm and do the steps. First step of algorithm is store the signal row wise. Clear? So we assume L as a row and M as a column. No issue, you can interchange it. Okay? So L is a row, L I assumed 2, so I make 2 rows, and M is 4, so I make 4 columns. Clear? Store the signal row wise. ठीक है, 2 rows ना, मतलब row wise means you have to complete the first row, then you have to go to second row. ठीक है, so I completed first row first. Signal is 2 1 2 1, so write in first row 2 1 2 1. Next is 2 1 2 1, go to second row 2 1 2 1. First step is write the signal in row wise. I assumed 2 rows and I write the signal 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1. The second step is compute L point DFT at each column. Now L is 2, means 2 point DFT of each column. Clear? Column is each columns are 4, so we have to perform 4 times DFT. Which point DFT? L is 2. ठीक है, 2 point DFT for 4 times. ठीक है, column wise, first column is 2 2, so I will perform 2 point DFT of 2 2. Then second column is 1 1, I will perform 2 point DFT of 1 1. I am saying 2 point, remember. Then column 3 is 2 2, so I am performing DFT of this 2 2. And the third column is 1 1, so I am performing the DFT of this 1 1. Means at each column you have 4 columns, so you have to perform 4 times which point DFT? L point DFT. L is 2. So make the matrix of 2 point. We know that for twiddle factor matrix, 1 at one side you have to write N, at other side you have to write K. The value of N and K is between 0 to capital N minus 1. Now I am saying you 2 point DFT. So capital N is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1. So you write here 0 1 0 1. Okay? And this matrix is W20, because ऊपर क्या होता है उसकी सुपर स्क्रिप्ट क्या होती है n into k. n into k is 0 0. Here 0 into 1 is 0, 1 into 0 is 0. Here it is 1 into 1 is 1. You know W20 is 1, W2 here is 1, W20 is 1. Anything raised to power 0 is 1. And W81, मतलब W21, sorry, here it is W21 means you have to calculate the value of e raised to power minus j 2 pi n k is 1 divided by 2. ठीक है, 2 is cancelled out with 2. e raised to power minus j pi is cos 2 pi minus sin 2 pi. ठीक है, cos pi is -1. So you write here -1. This is the 2-point twiddle factor matrix. Clear? So now perform DFT of this. DFT of this 2 2. DFT of this 2 2. है ना? You write here 2 2 and matrix multiplication. 2 plus 2 plus 2 4. First is 4. Then 2 minus 2 is 0. So it is 4 into 0. For 1 1. For 1 1. You write 1 here, 1 here. 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. So for this it is 2 0. For 2 2 it is 4 0. For 1 1 it is 2 0. So here you have completed the step 2. Now read the step 3. Multiply the resulting array by factor WNLM. ठीक है, you write here column wise answer. ठीक है, for 2 2, for this column 2 2 the answer is 4 0. So you write here 4 0. Clear? For this 1 1 the answer is 2 0. So you write here 2 0. For this 2 2 the answer is 4 0. So you write here in column wise. ठीक है, 4 0 again column wise 2 0. ठीक है, this is the array. Multiply the resulting array by factor WNLM. मतलब first एक one side you have to write L and on the another side you have to write M and multiply this with factor W8. Capital N is 8 then LM. ठीक है, so you write here 8. This side you write L or this side you write M. L is 0 multiply by 0 0 हो जाएगा. LM क्या है? सुपरस्क्रिप्ट है. Then 0 multiply by 1 is 0. 0 multiply by 2 is 0. 0 multiply by 3 is 0. At downside 0, यहाँ पे m 0 है, L 1 है, तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा 0. 1 multiply by 1 is W8 1. 1 multiply by 2 is W8 2. 1 multiply by 3 is W8 3. So now you have to multiply this array with these twiddle factor values. 4 multiply by W80. 2 multiply by W80. 4 multiply by W80. 2 multiply by W80. This 0 multiply by W80. This 0 multiply by W81. ठीक है, W81 means L is 1 here and M is 1 here. This 0 is multiplied by W82 and this 0 is multiplied by W83. So write down. ठीक है, this 4 multiply by W80. W80 की वैल्यू क्या होती है 1. So you write here 4. 2 multiply by W80 is 1. So you write here 2. 4 multiply by W80 is 1. So you write here 4. 2 multiply by W80 is 1. So you write here 2. This 0 multiply by something is 0 0. So this is your again array or matrix. Now this is the completion of third step. This is the completion of third step. Now fourth step, compute m point DFT of each row. You have 2 rows, means you have to perform 2 times DFT of m points. M means 4, मतलब 4 point DFT for row 1 and 4 point DFT for row 2. ठीक है, now you know this is the row 1 and this is the row 2. So you have to perform DFT of 4 2 4 2 and you have to perform the DFT of 0 0 0 0. ठीक है, this 4 point DFT is I am performing using matrix method. This is the twiddle factor matrix of 4 point. ठीक है, so I write here 4 2 4 2. 4 plus 2 4 plus 2 8 10 और 12. क्या आएगा 12 आ जाएगा. 2 के लिए क्या आएगा 2 multiply by 1 is 2. Sorry 4 multiply by 1 is 4. ठीक है, 2 multiplied by minus j is minus 2j. 4 multiplied by minus 1 is minus 4. And 2 multiplied by j is, this 2 multiplied by j is 2j. So it is 0. For third row it is 4 and fourth row it is 0. So the answer, मतलब DFT for 4242 is 12040. And for 00, you know, for 00 you will write here 0000. 0000 किसी चीज में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, ऐड करेंगे, आंसर क्या आएगा 00. तो दिस इज योर DFT. ठीक है. फॉर 4242 DFT इज 12040. रो वाइज परफॉर्म किया तो आपने आंसर भी रो वाइज ही लिखने हैं. ठीक है. 12040. 0000 की DFT क्या आएगी 0000. सो आपने रो वाइज लिखना है. यहाँ पे आपने कॉलम वाइज परफॉर्म की थी तो आपने आंसर कॉलम वाइज लिखा था. ठीक है. यहाँ पे अपने रो वाइज परफॉर्म करनी है, देन यू हैव टू राइट द आंसर इन रो वाइज. क्लियर. नाउ मूव टू स्टेप 5. Here the step 4th is completed. This is the completion of step 4. ठीक है. Now read the step 5. Read the resulting array in column wise. जो भी आपकी array बनी है उसको अपने column wise read करना है. Means you have to write 12 0, then column 2 0 0, then column 3 4 0, then 0 0. Means 12 0 first column के element complete हो गए. Column 2 is 0 0, column 3 is 4 0, and column 4 is 0 0. So this is your answer. Clear. This is the answer of 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1. मतलब you have to perform 8 point DFT of sequence 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 using divide and conquer approach. Clear. The answer of this is 12 000 4 000. Clear. Okay, thank you.